it's Sherry. Welcome to the Other Quilt Shop's YouTube channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video on Batik Textiles. They are creators of distinctive handmade fabrics. We have the box, we have the fabrics. Let's see what we've got. First fabric, just beautiful geometric. Looks hand painted. Well, in a way it is. Cute little design. Something I've only seen at Batik Textiles. This is a sun-dyed fabric. They spread the fabric out on the ground and they throw various leaves and flowers on it and let the sun dye it. This is a glorious neutral. Polka dots. I love me some polka dots, especially when they're bright and happy. Looks like stitched leaves. Stunning. This one has a couple colors all at the same time. Same pattern, but in a bright way. It's beautiful. More stitch leaves. That's a beautiful shade of sagey, neutrally green with a pretty flower. And their reds are to die for. This looks like a velvet brocade, and it's a batik. It's almost a red giraffe, but it's just a beautiful little pattern. Remember, each of the manufacturers that we have shown you on all of our videos have channels on YouTube, they have channels on Facebook, they have, I think, Instagram, they have Twitter, and you can follow them at all of these places and see what they're coming out with new that we might have for you.